The GoPro Max 2 is rapidly becoming one of the most talked about upcoming action cameras of 2025, and the latest leaks have revealed something both surprising and game-changing: a completely redesigned cooling system. For years, one of the biggest challenges GoPro has faced, especially with its high-performance cameras like the Hero Black Series and the original GoPro Max, has been overheating when recording in high resolutions for extended periods. Users who have tried pushing their cameras to record 360-degree 5.7K footage, or long 4K sessions in hot outdoor conditions, have often complained about shutdowns or dropped performance. Now, with the GoPro Max 2, it seems the company has listened to its community and gone back to the drawing board. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. According to sources close to the development team, the new cooling system isn't just an incremental update, but rather a complete redesign that could dramatically improve the camera's reliability, making it the most robust 360 action camera on the market. The original GoPro Max was a great step into the world of immersive 360 content, giving creators the ability to capture everything around them and later reframe it in editing. However, the demands of processing such massive video data, stitching images, and maintaining stabilization at the same time meant that the hardware was under immense stress. This often led to overheating in long shooting sessions, particularly in hot climates or when recording at maximum resolution. The Max 2, based on leaked technical drawings and insider reports, will feature an advanced cooling system that incorporates a combination of improved internal heat pipes, a redesigned airflow structure, and materials that dissipate heat more efficiently. This is a big deal because it allows the processor inside the camera to sustain higher workloads for longer periods, which in turn enables longer recording times without performance throttling or unexpected shutdowns. What makes this especially exciting is how the redesign could open up possibilities for higher resolutions and frame rates. Leaks suggest the GoPro Max 2 could be capable of 8K 360-degree recording at 30 frames per second, in addition to 6K and 5.7K at smoother 60 frames per second options. Without a reliable cooling system, these kinds of specs would be nearly impossible, but with the new design, GoPro seems confident that it can deliver them in a compact, rugged form factor. For content creators who have always wanted more from their 360 cameras, this is potentially a game changer. Imagine being able to shoot an entire action sequence in 8K 360 without worrying about your camera shutting down after just 15 minutes. That's the kind of reliability professionals have been demanding. The cooling redesign also signals something deeper about GoPro's strategy. Action cameras are increasingly being used not just by athletes and vloggers, but also by filmmakers, broadcasters, and VR creators who require professional-grade equipment. Competing with Insta360 and DJI in the 360 space has forced GoPro to innovate, and the Max 2's cooling system seems like the foundation for positioning the camera as a serious production tool. If it can sustain long sessions of high-resolution recording, it becomes viable for live streaming, documentary filmmaking, and immersive VR projects. Leaked prototypes even suggest that the camera may have small external venting areas disguised within its rugged shell, designed in such a way that they don't compromise water resistance. This would be an engineering achievement, as balancing cooling and waterproofing has traditionally been one of the toughest challenges for compact action cameras. Alongside the cooling improvements, the GoPro Max 2 is rumored to pack the latest generation GoPro GP3 processor, a massive leap from the GP2 used